Hello, y'all. Heidi. Oh, that was like the. Okay, I'm finishing last one. And of course, he will last trophies. I got -8 trophies. Checking up because she's coming anytime. Oh, hell no. Dying. Okay, don't care. Alright. Wow. It is the worst, guys, trust me. It's so. It hits hard. Yeah. My god. It's getting intense. I think I get it from my Shut. I hate Edgar's. He's my enemy. Oh, Jesse just died. No, my friend. And it's my cousin friend. She found 2 of my cousins are here and they're all males. 3 males and 1 female. I'm so good. Of course, we're teaming. Pure boredom. It's so pure boredom. I'll get the master title soon.
Alex, stop playing.
Bro, my cousins are still freaking bad. Like I have to. My hated cousins. No. What the fuck?
Gördün mü ne kazdı? Git. Ayıp. Oha.
If they are quiet. Oh, no, stop. Okay, good. That's good. Oh, wow. Only power cubes had to go. I can screenshot of that. Super rare.
Şimdi ne yapayım? Bir kapı. Buraya kapı nasıl? Kapı. Çünkü altı tane odun lazım. Çünkü domuz.
Credits.
Buna.
And my dream bro is about to be here soon. Yay!